Alright, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I want to speak about Kevon Lambert. Magnificent performance for the Phoenix Rising FC club against Santiago Loyal. Now, definitely Kevon Lambert was one of the most outstanding players on the pitch. Second highest sofa score rating of 7.9. So definitely you know that he did really immaculate in the midfield position. I was actually playing at the central midfield. In the central midfield area in a 4-3-3 formation, that is how they deployed. Despite being outplayed by possession, they definitely outclassed the team in accordance to shots taken and those necessary stats. I will get into that right away. So ball possession, San Diego had 62% ball possession and the Phoenix FC only had 38%. Total shot from Phoenix from the 38% was actually 25 shots in total, whilst San Diego only had 3. Shots on target for Phoenix was 11, San Diego had 1. Shots off target for Phoenix was 11 as well, San Diego had 2. Phoenix had 3 shots blocked, San Diego had 0. 6 corners for Phoenix and 3 for San Diego. 4 offsides was called against Phoenix and only 1 for San Diego. Now the Phoenix encountered with finished the game with 2 yellow cards. But they created 5 big chances, whilst San Diego only created 1, and they missed 3 of those big chances, but they did still score 4 out of the lot. Now definitely they also hit the woodwork once and numerous amount of counter attacks, and definitely the keeper made quite a few amount of saves inside and outside the box. The San Diego keeper made 8 saves in total, and the Phoenix Rising keeper made none. So that can tell you a lot about the game. Total pass for San Diego is actually 440 and only 261 passes for the Phoenix Rising, half the amount of pass that the San Diego had made. Now the accurate pass position and percentage was actually in the favor of San Diego, so they definitely came to possess and keep possession of the ball, trying to limit the opportunities that Phoenix would have, and definitely that was definitely a failed tactic. Now moving on, Kevon Lambert, let's look a bit deeper into how he played and how he impacted the game. He definitely played a very good role in the midfield area, dominating over on the left hand side, roaming inside of the midfield area. Despite they deployed in a 4-3-3 formation, they switched into a 4-2-3-1 quite so often. But Kevon Lambert was actually one of the men doing a lot of the defensive work and doing a lot of the cleaning up work. Now let's get into his personal stuff. As you guys can see right there, that is his heat map. As you can see, he's playing a bit deeper than the norm, using the central area, controlling that area. It also could be the case that San Diego was in so much possession of the ball, could be the reason why he was playing so deep. But definitely completing the game with a 7.9 sofa score rating, played total of 90 minutes, scored 1 goal, a screamer at the edge of the 18-yard box. The keeper had no chance. By the time the keeper should go over to his left hand side, the ball has already hit the back of the net, the lower left of the keeper in that corner of the goal. A really good finish from Kevon Lambert, swinging his right foot in the ball, hitting with pace and power, beating the keeper so easily. Now he had a total of 45 touches, accurate passes, he made 20 passes out of 25, completing the game with a passing accuracy of 80%. No key passes, attempted 1 crosses, was not complete. He had 7 long balls, completing 5 of them, completing the game with accurate long balls at 85%. He had 2 shots, 1 shot on target, 1 off target. The one on target was the one that went in the lower portion of the goal over to the left hand side of the keeper that he could not reach. He also did miss a big chance as well. Now he encountered in 8 ground duels, winning 6 of those, which is also significant because that is a lot of ground duels to win. Now aerial duels encountered in 4 and also win 2, that's 50%. Possession loss only 9 times, which is also good because they were being pressed and outpossessed, and for him to only lose possession 9 times, it means that he did well. He really did retain possession of the ball when he got the ball, and that's also significant. He committed 1 foul and was fouled once. He made 1 clearance, 6 interception, the most out of every single player on the pitch, and he encountered in 5 tackles, and he was not dribbled past throughout the entire game. So definitely Kevon Lambert had an outstanding game, but the man of the match went on to Moar, scoring 1 goal and also bagging 2 assists. So So his SOFA score rating was actually 9.3, a solid performance from Santi Moar, and I have to give him congrats to that. A beautiful striker, a forward and striker performance, getting those areas, whilst Kevon Lambert and Hodahan Quinn do all the cleanup work. John Bakero was doing a lot of the advanced work, while Kevon Lambert and Quinn was actually sitting deep, controlling the midfield area, doing all the dirty work. But definitely a solid performance for them. Hopefully the keeper is okay. He went off because of injury. That's injury rules. Definitely we'll see about that. But Kevon Lambert, the man that we're talking about, the reggae boy himself, solid performance from Kevon Lambert, and I did enjoy that game. Definitely want to talk about. So definitely people, this has been Military Guna TV. Please guys, drop it to a comment, tell me your thoughts, and please go and watch that game and tell me what you think about Kevon Lambert's performance. Thank you very much people. Military Guna TV, and guess what, I am out.